Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised tofu sticks with minced pork. This is one of the tastiest way to cook tofu sticks. Just look at that. Savory, saucy, and full of flavor. Let's get into it. I've soaked the tofu sticks. Chinese people also call it dried Yuba. I'm using the kind made from 100% soybeans. So just an hour in water is enough to get it nice and soft. But heads up, if yours has fillers or isn't pure soya, it might take longer. So check the ingredients before you soak. Once it's fully rehydrated, just cut it into short sections. Then mince some pork. For the aromatics, we will prepare the chopped spring onion, minced garlic, and a bit of chopped chili for a little kick. Let's get cooking. Alright, oil is ready. Let's get the pork in. Give it a few stirs. Then you will see the pork changes the color. Toss in the aromatics. Stir fry until everything is fragrant. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of 13 spice. It's a super aromatic Chinese spice blend. Really brings out that deep, savory smell. Give it a quick stir to wake up everything up. Now add the Yuba straight into the wok. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Stir fast to coat everything evenly. Pour in just enough water to barely cover the ingredients. Season with 1 teaspoon each of salt, MSG, sugar, and a bit of white pepper. Leave the lid off and let it gently simmer on medium-low for 3 to 5 minutes. This lets the flavor soak in while reducing the broth. Once the sauce has cooked down a bit, add some potato starch slurry. Just pour in a little at a time and keep stirring, so the sauce gets nice and glossy and really coats everything. Once it's nice and glossy, finish it with a drizzle of cooking oil or sesame oil for their extra shine and aroma. And we are done. This Yuba is all soft and silky now, soaking up that sauce. I swear, if only smells could travel through the screen. Let me try a bite. Oh man, this is so good. You've got the rich, savory sauce in every bite. And the Yuba, so tender, almost melts in your mouth. This with rice, dangerously good. Give it a try at home. This dish never disappoints. Thanks for watching. See you next time.